Oftentimes you'll have board meetings or other internal meetings, for example, that take time of the project and should be captured in many cases in terms of our time required by contractors or the resources we choose to use in the project. So how do we go about highlighting or creating a recurring task, and how is this shown in Microsoft Project? So you'll notice that I've put on here weekly project meeting. So to get that recurring meeting visible on your project schedule, click on the cell underneath, and then on the task ribbon, go to task, and there's a little drop down menu here which shows recurring task, and then simply type in the name of the meeting. So for example, we'll put this as project meeting, and then we'll go and nominate the meeting to occur on every Monday throughout the duration of this project. You'll notice too that it defaults to the end by date of our project. So you can see the 12th of the 11th is the end date, so it automatically defaults to that, which in most cases will be convenient for what we want to do. And click OK, and you'll notice all of our project meetings are listed. Now some might find this a little tedious, but if you do, simply tidy this up by collapsing the list of meetings, but you'll see that the meetings are still captured on your Gantt chart. And then when you go to apply resources to this, these resources and the time taken for these meetings are also captured. So you might like to just tidy this up a little bit further by outdenting the weekly project meeting so that looks a little more presentable. So no doubt quite a useful mechanism here in Microsoft Project for those ongoing, recurring pieces of information that we need to capture in on our Gantt charts. Thank you for watching. All the very best with your project management. Please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.